The Mercedes X-Class comes into the market at the perfect time for Australia, as these dual-cab utes are fast becoming the most popular vehicle type of all. It is heavily based on the current Nissan Navara, borrowing some of the body and most of the underpinnings. However, Mercedes has applied its latest styling language with a nice big three-pointed star emblem at the front, making it impossible to confuse the two. Here we're testing the top-of-the-range X350d Power, which comes with all of the fruit, including chrome trimmings and prestige 19-inch alloy wheels. This power variant also comes with a comprehensive tray package with a full tub liner and locking roller shutter. There's also a handy power socket and adjustable tie-down hooks. Mercedes has applied its own suspension tune for the X-Class, with coil springs at the back for a comfortable ride. Check out where the exhaust finishes off. There's no mistaking the interior for a Navara. It's very obvious this is pitched as a premium vehicle. This model showcases the classy aluminium trim option for the dash, with an 8.4-inch tablet-style infotainment display right in the middle. We love the aviation-style circular air vents, and the exquisite hand controller system down on the center console. For the driver, there's a leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel and semi-digital instrument cluster, with power-adjustable seats in the front. Rear passengers are treated to a comfortable bench seat with climate vents and a power socket to keep devices charged. Headroom and legroom are both very respectable for this segment. As for the engine, the V6 is the equal most powerful diesel in this class. Performance is very impressive in that respect, and braking is well ahead of the class standards according to our tests. This is what it goes like.